Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the MSI Raider GE76. Today, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your laptop running smoothly. Let's begin with the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, compressed air, and thermal paste. Start by shutting down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Removing the battery is also advisable for safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them. Remember to keep track of where each screw goes, as this will assist in reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any clips. Once the panel is off, you will see the internal components, including the cooling fans and the heat sinks. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris accumulated in the fans and vents. This step is crucial as it helps prevent overheating and maintains performance. If you notice any heavy buildup, you may need to remove the fans for a more thorough cleaning. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, check the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. If it appears dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. Carefully remove the old thermal paste with a lint-free cloth, ensuring no residue is left behind. Then, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. Spread it evenly using a plastic card if necessary. After completing these steps, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Lastly, reconnect your battery and power up your laptop. Check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls. You can get a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Congratulations! You've successfully maintained your MSI Raider GE76. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance your laptop's lifespan and performance. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will dive deeper into software optimizations. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.